Hugh Wallace was more than a familiar face on television. For many people, he was the warm, passionate architect who helped shape Ireland's understanding of what a home could be. His presence on Home of the Year made him instantly recognizable, but behind the scenes he built a long, influential career in architecture, design, public advocacy, mentorship, and community work. Today, we explore the story of a man whose work reached far beyond the screen. What shaped Hugh Wallace's early architectural career? His foundations were built through years of training, design practice, and involvement with the Royal Institute of Architects of Ireland. He co-founded Douglas Wallace Consultants, a firm known for its innovative thinking and diverse portfolio. His early work demonstrated a balance between creativity, practicality, and a deep respect for the character of each space. What kinds of projects did he design before becoming a television personality? His firm delivered residential homes, commercial spaces, hotels, retail interiors, and projects that emphasized user experience and functionality. He believed in architecture that supports community life and brings people together. How did he become widely known to the Irish public? His breakthrough came with the television series Home of the Year. As a judge from the very first season, he brought charm, humor, and expertise to millions of viewers. His eye for detail and his respect for personal stories transformed home design into a national conversation. What other television work did he contribute to? He presented The Great House Revival, a program celebrating the restoration and preservation of older Irish buildings. He also appeared in My Bungalow Bliss, sharing insights into renovation and design possibilities. These shows revealed his passion for rescuing heritage spaces and giving them new purpose. How did he use his public role to influence design culture? He helped viewers understand the importance of good architecture in everyday life. He emphasized that a home should reflect identity, memory, lifestyle, and comfort. Through television, he made design more accessible and encouraged people to value thoughtful planning. Why is he remembered as an advocate for sustainable and accessible design? He spoke openly about environmental responsibility and the need to design buildings that respect both the past and the future. He supported the preservation of historic structures and encouraged restoring rather than demolishing. His message promoted sustainability and long-term thinking. What role did he play in shaping future generations of designers? He was known as a mentor who shared his experience generously. Many young architects admired the way he balanced creativity, humanity, and honesty. His work helped move Irish design forward and inspired a new wave of professionals. What personal challenges did he speak about publicly? Hugh Wallace shared his experience battling alcoholism and finding recovery. His openness helped reduce stigma and gave courage to others facing similar struggles. This honesty added an important human layer to his story. What were his personal interests outside of architecture and television? He enjoyed cooking, spending time with loved ones, and exploring artistic inspiration. These personal passions revealed a man who valued creativity in many forms. How did he contribute to charitable work and community projects? He participated in initiatives that supported local communities, heritage projects, and causes related to well-being. His outreach extended beyond professional work into meaningful social impact. How is his legacy being described after his passing at age 68? Tributes highlight his warmth, humor, generosity, and talent. He is admired not only as an architect, but as a communicator who brought design into the heart of public life. His death has been met with deep sadness across Ireland's media, cultural, and design communities. What lasting impact does he leave behind? He leaves a legacy of accessible design education, architectural advocacy, personal courage, and inspiration for future generations. His work encourages people to see architecture as a powerful tool for building better, more connected communities. Finally, Hugh Wallace's journey shows that a meaningful legacy is not defined by a single role. He was an architect, a mentor, a presenter, an advocate, and a human being who embraced both success and struggle. His passion for design and his belief in the emotional power of a home will continue to influence audiences, professionals, and homeowners for many years. If you found this video helpful, please remember to share, like, and subscribe for more educational content.